In this example, we're going to discuss how to create an incident in vansah. Simply select the quick links, navigate to create incident, and what you should see is the create incident screen appear. Within the incident screen, you'll have different types of incidents that you would have created for your project. In our example here, we have 4 different types, one being defect, enhancement, risk, and task. Each type of incident here will have different fields that have been configured to appear and be mandatory or non-mandatory according to the type of incident. So if we're selecting the defect incident type, what we can see is we have a browser, a test phase, and they're both mandatory. But if we change the type of defect to be a task, you'll obviously see that they don't appear, and that's only because in the configuration of vansah, which is covered in a different tutorial, will basically define what fields should appear, custom fields should appear, if they're mandatory or not, according to the type of incident. So we'll go back to creating an incident of type defect, and basically this just gives you a headline being demo defect headline. So quickly completing all the mandatory fields for our example, given a severity, and let's quickly get a test phase, selecting a browser, we'll just say all. Over here, in our description, we can completely fill it out according to what we want to paste, or what we want to obviously add as details to the defect that we're about to create, or we can select the template that we might have in our system, making it easier for us to complete the steps and actual output and expected results for the developer or the person to be assigned to this defect. The other thing about the defect type is it will have its own workflow, which you've configured. So what different states it would go through, from being open to assigned to being resolved or worked on and so forth, will all be based on the workflow that's been mapped to this type of incident. In the attachment section, we can obviously paste or add attachments. If we want to paste an attachment, you have something in your clipboard, as you see now, and just simply paste it, click done, and that will upload and attach that screenshot to the defect. You can have unlimited attachments associated to an incident of any type. You can also navigate to the different tabs that appear here and sort of link the incident to a particular test case, to a requirement, and to other incidents if you see there's a need. And that's all it is. It's how simple it is to create an incident in vansah based on the type that you require. Or obviously then we just click on save, and you should soon find the incident with the number being successful and created. Okay, that's all there is for creating incidents. We'll definitely cover more about incidents and workflows in other tutorials.